Advanced analytics is the new trend in almost all the organizations. If you are someone looking to grab an opportunity of helping a client or your organization to make best use of analytics, you are at the right place. Hello and welcome you all to the introductory video for the course of Oracle Analytics Cloud. In this session, I will be providing the course outline along with the learning objectives for this course. Before going further into the course details, let me just give you a quick introduction about myself. I am Divya and I have completed my MBA from IIT Delhi, and I have been working in the areas of business analysis, project management and data analysis for about 4 years. Coming to my experience in data analysis, I have worked with different visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau and Oracle Analytics Cloud. I not only have hands-on experience with these tools, I also led a team of people who have been working in the business intelligence area for about 2 years. And my domain expertise include airline, education and manufacturing sectors. With this experience, hope I can share my knowledge with you and help you in learning this course in a better way. Now, before going into the specific details on OSC, let me give you an idea on why you have to learn this course and how it helps you in growing your career. So firstly, as you all know, most of the organizations are interested in including analytics into their as a part of their organization for informed decision making. You must have seen many organizations including analytics for their marketing, for their HR activities and all. So with this, it is clear that analytics has been playing a major role in almost all the organizations. So for this, many organizations are transforming their current architecture to include analytics as a part of their technical architecture. For that, they need a robust platform which can help them to best use of their data and then get good insights. Oracle Analytics is one of the best platform in the market which helps the organizations to do that. So, being understood that analytics is playing a major role, now, if we see into the specific details of Oracle Analytics Cloud, it has been it helps the people to work with various kinds of data sets. It might be the data sets which are available on the cloud, or it might be their old enterprise model data sets. All the data sources can be modeled or can be used over here to transform them into the required format and use it to get insights. So that this is how Oracle Analytics Cloud can be used to model their data or to visualize their data. Not only that, coming to the visualization part or analytics capability part, Oracle Analytics has a very good edge over other tools as it has many options available with it. So this is the reason why there will be a good advantage of having hands-on experience on this OAC, as most of the organizations are looking forward to add it to their architecture. So now let's see on what you will be learning as a part of this course. Firstly, you will be getting, as I have already mentioned, that this is a course for the beginners. You will be given an idea on what Oracle Analytics Cloud is, where it can be used, how it helps the organizations, and what are its different capabilities, and how those capabilities can be used to make to transform your data or to visualize your data or to get best insights as per the use case. That is one thing you will be learning. In this, you will be given a complete idea on what all things are available with OAC, so that in future you can dig deep into each of them and then be an expert in OAC. So coming to the next one, not only that, you will this course will be more focusing on the visualization capabilities of OAC. So you will be learning what all things can be like as per the use case, how to design a good dashboard or how to design a good report, what insights can be extracted from the data, how to transform the data to make best visualizations. All these things you will be learning. So from the visualization point of view, you will be taken through a set of use cases, and then you will be creating a set of dashboards that best suits that use case, and you will be getting an understanding on how to visualize such kind of use cases and what insights you can provide to your organization or to your client. This is a major thing that you will be learning here. And then you will also gain required knowledge to upskill yourself into the modern visualizations that can be done with OAC. Basically, in this course, you will be given an idea on how to create a dashboard or how to create an analysis or how to create a report, simple report or a simple analysis or a simple dashboard. In future, if you want to improve that to modern visualization capabilities has which the Oracle has, you can go and just explore and do that by yourself. So that the knowledge that is required for you to upskill yourself, that is what you will be gaining through this course. So these are the things that you will be learning. And so now let's see the course outline, the required components that are present with OAC, and whatever is required for you to learn as a part of OAC as a beginner will be explained to you in 5 different areas, in 5 different topics. Firstly, coming to the course introduction. In this course introduction part, you will be given a whole idea on all the capabilities of OAC, and then how to set up an OAC environment, and how to create your own account, and what are the things that you need to create your own dashboard. All those things will be explained under this course introduction part. And you will also be given like what kind of data set, given an idea on what are the use cases that we will be using to take this course forward. All those introductory things will be explained in the course introduction part. Then coming to the data connectivity and data preparation sessions, in that you will be given an idea on how to connect your data to the OAC, and what kind of data sources will be supported by OAC, and what are the data types that are supported by OAC. All that information you will be gaining, and along with that, how to use multiple data sources to prepare a single data set that is required for your visualization, or how to create a data flow to make your data runtime. All those things you will be, all the things related to the data sources, and creating a data set, your own data set for the visualization, all those things will be covered in this in these sessions of data connectivity and data preparation. And coming to the third part, which is data visualization, in this you will be given an idea on what are the different charts available with OAC, and when to use each chart, and how to connect different kinds of charts, how to make, what are the properties that are available with the platform to make the charts visually appealing, and how to apply filters on each of these charts. So those kind of options, whichever is available with OAC, all these things will be explained to you in depth in this course. And coming to the fourth part, which is the data model part, in this you will get an understanding on data modeling, and you will be given an idea on creating a simple data model. So we are not looking forward to take in depth in data modeling. You will just get an idea on how to create a data model and all, and then you can go and explore yourself to gain more knowledge in this data modeling session. Coming to the last part, which is the building analysis, dashboards and reports. So once that your data is ready and your charts are ready, then you will be creating different analysis, and then which will be added into the dashboards. So based on this, we will in this part you will be explained about how to create those analysis, what kind of dashboards have to be created, how to create best dashboards and best reports, and what kind of what kind of things you have to take care while creating a dashboard, or while creating a report. All those things we will be getting an idea in this part 5. So with this, we will have a clear idea on what is Oracle Analytics Cloud, how to work with it, how to create a dashboard on it, and how to visualize the data, how to model the data, how to prepare the data, how to transform your data and then make it useful for yourself. All these things will be covered in this complete course. Apart from that, I will also giving you, in the end I will also be giving you an idea on how to look forward to model analytics, which is nothing but the augmented visualization or the modern visualization parts, wherein it will be helpful for you if you go further in your career with machine learning or augmented analytics areas. So that I will give a brief introduction, which you will be having getting an idea on it, and then you can explore yourself by looking at various tutorials available over the net to get an idea on those modern visualization things. So this is how this course is structured. And apart from this, if you want, if like whatever doubts you will be having, or if you want any other things to be added to the course, we will be discussing as a part of our curriculum, and then we will be adding those. If we feel them useful, we will be adding a part of the curriculum. So the total duration for this course will be 45 days. And then that's it about the course outline and the other course details. If you have any specific doubts about the course, or if you have any questions regarding this, you can mail me to my email ID. Hope you have got a brief understanding on how this course is going to be, and thank you.